Hi investors, it's Bernice Retzloff with turnkeyinvest.com and iBuyYourHouse.com, and today we're on site at a property that we just did a full renovation on. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property listed for sale at $149,900 in a B-class neighborhood with instant cash flow. Today we are at 4708 Laughlin Road in Memphis, Tennessee in the 38118. Let's go take a look at what we've done. This property is located near major transportation routes here in Memphis, Tennessee, like Shelby Drive and I-240. This property is 7 minutes away from the interstate. New architectural roof up top, 30-year architectural roof. We put new shutters on the exterior here, new paint on the exterior. We have a new mailbox out front. We mulched the front beds in front here. We actually have the resident moving in this morning. We have a wrought iron security door out front. Let's take a look inside. Thank you so much for tuning in to our most recent video. If you like seeing these home tours of Memphis and the greater areas, we would greatly appreciate it if you liked and shared this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, back to our scheduled programming. Upon entry, we are greeted with the living room. High ceilings in the living area here. This property has received new LVP flooring throughout the entire home. It is an open floor plan, so here we have the living room. If I turn around here, we have the perfect area for a dining room overlooking the patio out back or the deck out back. New lighting throughout the home. This is energy efficient puck lighting. Here we have the kitchen. The kitchen features a new sink, new granite countertops, brand new cabinets. Storage will not be a problem for your residents. Brand new vent-a-hood. I love this pass-through to where you can, prep dinner on this countertop here and watch what's going on in the living room as well. We have new paint throughout the interior of the home in addition to the exterior. Brand new water heater located just off the kitchen here. The hall off of the living room leads to the bedrooms. Before we do that, let's go over some numbers on this property. So let's talk numbers. With a purchase price of $149,900 and an actual rent of $1,350 a month, you're looking at a cap rate of 8.18% and a cash-on-cash return of 6.96%, making your total cash needed to close $43,975 and giving you a monthly cash flow of $225.06. Let's go take a look at the rest of the property. Exiting the living room and heading down the bedroom hall, to the left here we have a storage closet. That LVP flooring flows into the bottom, and this would be perfect for like a coat closet for when guests come over to visit your resident. Continuing down the hall, taking a right, we have bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 could fit a full bed and a dresser with some room to spare. We have double closet doors concealing the closet here. New hardware on the doors. Let's take a look inside. LVP flooring in the bottom. This is a spacious closet. Pretty standard for a 3rd bedroom. Long and narrow closet. Continue on our tour. Directly across the hall from bedroom number 3, we have the HVAC system. Continuing down the hall, taking a left, we have the utility closet for the washer and dryer. New washer box installed. I love that this utility closet has a door on it. That way when your residents are doing their laundry, they can shut the door, help muffle the sound of that laundry going. And before we move on to the next bedroom, I did want to touch base. I did show the HVAC system here. The HVAC people are actually here to install the new one just before that resident moves in today within the hour. To the right here, we have bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 could also fit a full bed and a dresser with room to spare. High ceilings in this bedroom as well, lots of natural light coming in. Once again, we have dual doors concealing the closet. Let's take a look inside. Inside we have wire rack shelving, a rod for your residents to hang their clothes, and LVP flooring flowing seamlessly into the bottom of the closet here. Continuing on our tour, down the hall and to the left, we have the shared bath for bedrooms 2 and 3. We have new tile that we put in the shower, new toilet in the bathroom here, LVP flooring in the bathroom, brand new vanity with a new countertop and sink. Very cute. At the very end of the hall, we have the master bedroom. Once again, high ceilings in the master bedroom. This bedroom could easily fit a queen bed and a dresser with plenty of room to spare. Lots of natural light flowing into this bedroom as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the closet on this bedroom. We do have a light in the closet. Love that. LVP flooring flows into the bottom of this closet. We have lots of wire rack shelving for storage for your resident. And here we have the master bathroom. New toilet in the master bathroom. Brand new vanity with a new vanity top and sink. Here we have the linen closet. LVP flooring flows into the bottom. Lots of shelving up top for storage and a stand-up shower in this bathroom. Now I'm going to take you outside to show you the backyard, one of my favorite parts. So we're going to head out the back door here to take a look at the backyard. We do have a beautiful deck out here that we have repainted. This is perfect for entertaining if your resident has any guests come over. Beautiful fenced in backyard. Couple trees for shade that are not overhanging the house here. We did trim that back. Now this property is located 6 minutes away from Oak Haven Park. It is located 8 minutes away from the Memphis Airport and FedEx Hub and 6 minutes away from the Amazon Distribution Center, creating lots of employment opportunities in the area. This home is also in the school district of Oak Haven Elementary, which is 6 minutes away, and Oak Haven Middle School, which is 7 minutes away. Oak Haven High School is just 7 minutes away as well. Do a quick pan of the backyard here and the exterior of the home. We are putting in our new condenser before the resident moves in. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. And if you have any further questions about this property, would like to submit an offer, or just have general questions about Memphis and the surrounding areas, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at turnkeyinvest.com. We also have a list of other properties available or coming soon if this one doesn't quite fit your buy box. We would love to hear from you. Bye.